When the sun rays hit the Earth's surface and the UV rays hit the ozone layer, they need to be destroyed. Now, let's create the code for that. First, let's consider the time when the sun rays hit the surface of the Earth. Since there is an amount of sun rays and total sun in the group, we need to check whether all these sun rays hit the Earth's surface. For this, let's use a for loop. We have assigned the number of sun rays created in this group in the variable called total sun. Then, we use a variable called I for this for loop. The value of I starts from 0 and increases 1 by 1. The value of I is less than the total sun, and it is necessary to check whether the sun rays hit on the surface of the Earth. In the meantime, the sun rays that hit need to be destroyed. This event stops when the value of I is equal to total sun. Let's create this part now. For that, I click Ctrl and drag the for code block here. Here, we need to change only the condition. Let's give as total sun to the right side of the smaller than sign. The things I mentioned before will only happen if the I sun ray coming to the Earth is a sun ray belonging to the group sun rays, and if this I sun ray hit with the Earth. Okay, we need to check again whether this sun ray is a sun ray related to the group and whether the sun ray hits the surface of the Earth. Let's create the code for that. I click Ctrl and drag the if code block into this for loop. Let's click Math and drag a code block with the and sign for the condition here. The sprite.collide target code block is dragged under sprites to the right side of the and sign. Let's give Earth as the target. The sprite here should be I sun ray. That means the element I in the group of group sun rays group get sprite code block is used to identify a specific element of a group. So here, let's drag a group.getI code block in the group section where you want to give the sprite. The name of the group is given as group sun rays. Also, the sun rays should belong to the group we have created. For this sun ray needs to be defined. We can show it like this. The sun ray called I is defined in the group of group sun rays as group sun rays dot get I equal. The same can be written using the unequal sign. It means the exclamation sign and the equal sign as group sun rays dot I exclamation equal undefined. Let's set the condition like this. A code block with an unequal sign is dragged under math to the left side of the and sign. Drag the group.getI code block under groups to the left of this equal sign and give the name of this group as group sun rays. Let's give the right side of the equal sign as undefined. If both these conditions are true, the I sun ray is destroyed. I drag a sprite.destroy code block into this if code block. Here again, it is needed to be given the element I in the group sun rays as the sprite. Let's click on groups again and drag a group.getZero code block here. As before, the name of the group is given as group sun rays.